Ever since we moved into this house, my husband has been acting a little strange. He spends a lot of time in the bathroom now. Like a lot. Hey, hello? I need to use the toilet.
The rain shower is just life-changing. I've been trying to convince my friends to get the same one. The way that it's being concealed is fantastic.
Then, there were the calls. At first, I thought he was just tired from work. But then I realized he wasn't really here anymore. Who or what is he busy with that he can't even pick up his own wife's call? And suddenly, he's been inviting friends over.
Hello. Hi, oh my god, long time no see.
Yes, come on in,
Thank
come
you
on
for
in.
inviting me.
Come in.
Thank you.
Specifically friends that we haven't even spoke to in a long time.
Come, let me show you something.
Oh, okay.
So this is the foyer area. We did a divider with a curve feature for here so that it looks a bit lighter. We even... Oh, try guessing where's our bomb shelter.
Oh my gosh, where?
This is our guest bathroom.
Oh wow.
As you can see, we have invested in creating a beautiful space for guests like you.
Yeah, it's so pretty. Like I love the walls.
Yes,
and
I love the thing matches as well.
And then he shows them our bedroom.
Oh wow, you bought all this for her?
No, I just provided the space.
And then I realized he's not hiding anything. He's just obsessed with the house.
What? She thought that I was cheating on her?